Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you looking to create dynamic pages on your Wix website? Whether you are building a blog, e-commerce site, or portfolio, dynamic pages can help you showcase your content in an engaging way. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create dynamic pages on Wix, including how to connect your content to a dynamic page and how to customize the design of your dynamic pages. So let's get started with our first dynamic page in Wix. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First thing first, all what I'm going to need you guys to do is launch Wix first. So let's go here, search for Wix and click on wix.com. Here, simply just click on get started. So click on it and then we will go to this page where we are going to actually log in or sign up. So I'm going to continue using my Gmail account. So let's do that real quick. Here we go. And this is my Gmail account as you can see. Now, let's just wait a little bit. And simply now, all you have to do is click over here in the top to create a new site. Now, after we did that, all I'm going to do is search what kind of business or kind of website we are going to create. So let's choose a blog, click on next or entertainment blog, alright. Here, enter your website name, so tutorial. Here we go. And now we are going to choose some informations. So here we recommend a blog, chat, forms. You can add here online store, bookings, events, portfolio, music, video, even Instagram feed or pricing plan. So you can use whatever you'd like from these. For us, we are just going to keep it simple and click on next. Now they are going to take us to this page where we are going to go to our dashboard. But before, let's choose a template. So let's choose first kind of like a cool template to start our website with. Going with this one, so edit. And now here we are. So just give it some time until it loads into your website and everything should be good to go for you. Now just give it some time as you can see and I will be right back to you after it's created it. So back to you guys, this is where I can edit my page and everything. So the first thing to actually have a dynamic page, we have to connect our content manager over here. So click on it and then add it to your site. Pretty easy. Now just wait for it until it reaches 5 on 5. And now you can start by adding content or with a preset. So let's choose a preset from their own. So this is like an item list. We can start with it. So add to site. Let's give it some time. And it will be added. Let me just check which page it's here. It's gonna be added to it exactly. So I think we're gonna go to other pages. So let's go here and let's preview. So we can see it. Publish first. And now I'm going to like view it to see which page we are going to actually check. So let's check from here. I think it's gonna be contact. So let's see it from here. So back to you guys. I had some problems with my internet connection. Well, overall, when you actually do the content manager and you add it and you save everything, you publish your website, just refresh the page and then you will have it in the set pages and you will find it over here. So in items, and you can see here dynamic pages. So just click on it as you can see and simply it will open for you as you can see here. Now, basically, this is the page. So this is the title 01 and this is item. So here you can manage the content of this item. So if I can see here, this is title 1, 2, 3. And basically, if I clicked over here and I want to next, it will take me to the page like number 2. So let's click on next. Here, as you can see, this is title number 2. If I clicked here once more, it's gonna take me to like page number 3, which is this is title number 3. So basically this is what dynamic page is for. So it helps you making like the same page with different kind of items or contents. You can everything. You can like really edit everything through here. Just click on this content manager, and like so you'll have all the contents over here. You can add new items, more actions, as you can see. So let's start, for example, with deleting all of these. So delete, and here we are. And I will start by adding an item. So here we're gonna name it, for example, contact lolly, and then I'm going to do something like open. Here you have to fill this information from images. So let's add an image, pretty easy. Just click on it and then select files from your PC. So let's upload from computer some files. So let's choose, for example, this cat, and I will be now ready to go. Just let it upload in the website, as you can see, and now click on apply. So here it is. Here is some title if you'd like to add subtitle, alt text, item page text. These are not really important. So now click on save. This is like the page, the first website or the first page. It's gonna be looking something around that. So here it is, contact Lolly. Here you must put the paragraph and etc. And basically there is no next and previous. So this is only for this page. If you'd like to add more items, so when you click on next, it's gonna take you to the next page. Just click again and give it some times. Of course, here you can change the actions, so more actions. Here you can import items, export items, and collection settings, permission, privacy, index, and much more. So here, let's add a field. So here, for example, rich content, help text, contact, lolly. Here, field, etc. Lolly lope, and click on save to see what it's gonna do, basically. So here we can type, for example, contact of lolly is, and email something like so, gmail.com, and let's save it, as you can see here. So all changes are saved. So now all you have to do is wait a little bit. So let's give it some time. Let's refresh probably. So here we go, and here it is, the website loading for me. It's gonna be taking some time because I have kind of bad internet connection today, but overall for you it's gonna be working super smooth. So let's go to here and items title, and as you can see this is like the title of mine. And basically now if you want to this as the actual preview mode, you will be able to click on whatever kind of this item, and basically what it's going to do is take you to a whole new page with my own contact which I written over here. So this is like the contact that I have written. So whether you clicked here or here, it will take you to that content. You can do that and try it by yourself by clicking on preview, and it will happen for you, so it will work for you as well. So basically this is what is a dynamic page for. It is basically one page with multiple forms of items or content. Each content can take you to a different branch. So I hope you learned something from this video guys. Thank you for watching, and see ya in the next video.